Okay guys, are you as excited as I am about this ultimate FX Lightsaber from Hasbro? And this one's a blue lightsaber. It's Anakin. Okay, let's check it out. Comes nicely in a nice retail package box. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Now this doesn't come with batteries, so I'm going to open it up and install some batteries on it. So it comes with instructions on how to activate it and how to change the batteries in these 3 AA batteries. Okay, so what you do is open here, take it out of the box, turn it slightly, and pull it out. So there you have it. It's outside the box. It's pretty well built, made of plastic, but very realistic. Looks just like the movies. It's pretty light. You probably could use it for lightsaber practice. You know, do a few tricks with it. For the price you're getting for one of these, I think it's good value. So before we can fire up, we've got to actually install the batteries. It's pretty easy to install the battery. You just need 3 AA batteries with a Phillips head screwdriver, and this is the screw that you got to undo. So I'll have loosened up the screw here. Make sure it's completely loose before you can take the cover off. It's just pop out fairly easily. And there you go, there's the slot for 3 AA batteries. Make sure you use brand new batteries. Okay, let's pop the new batteries in and fire it up. Now you're going to find that when putting the 2 batteries in this slot here, it's going to be easier. The trick is put this battery in first, followed by this battery here. Otherwise it's very hard to. If you put this battery in first and then try to pop this one, it's a lot harder. So pop this battery in first and followed by this one. You're going to find it. This one will, easily pop in. Okay, the batteries are in, so I'm going to replace the cover and tighten up the screw. Yeah, where it easily pop back in, and then tighten up the screw, and then we're going to fire it up. Now, to fire it up, you got to have it on the right mode first. There's 3 modes. It's the 0 indicates off, the 1 indicates try me mode, which is basically a demo mode where the lightsaber automatically switches itself off after a couple of seconds, and there's the on mode, which basically means it stays on as you fire it up. Okay, so let's fire it up. So this is the button to fire up here. Look at that. Pretty cool, eh? Now the speaker here is making the homing noise. It sounds very realistic, doesn't it? And to power it down, you press the same button again, and it powers itself down. So power up, power down. I'm going to show you with the lights turn off. Okay, power up. Wow, look at that. And as you can shake it, it makes these realistic fighting noises as your movement goes and as you shake it. I'm not going to hit anything with it, but my understanding is that as you hit something with it, again it makes a humming noise or some sort of corresponding hitting noise as well. So there you have it. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool, huh? Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how this lightsaber performs in total darkness. Okay, let's turn it on. Whoa, fire it up. Pretty cool, huh? As you can see, no Jedi should go without this lightsaber. Make the Force be with you.